Small but mighty Luxembourg has only 500,000 people, but one of the world's most developed economy. It shares borders with Germany, France, and Belgium and is ruled by a Grand Duke, making it the world's last Grand Duchy. Luxembourg has 3 official languages, Luxembourgish, French, and German. It's a wealthy country with an even wealthier medieval history. The heart of the country has been listed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and each region holds a ton of surprises for its visitors.
Echternach.
This cozy little town near the German border is the oldest in all of Luxembourg. For the last 500 years, pilgrims come every Whit Tuesday for the dancing procession in honor of the town's founder, Saint Willibrord. In May and June, you can enjoy the International Music Festival.
Vianden Castle.
The castle was built between the 11th and 14th century on the foundations of a Roman castle and a Carolinian refuge, and for a long time belonged to the Grand Ducal family, before passing into state ownership in 1977. Since then, it has been restored to all its former glory. Number 3. Diekirch.
Diekirch takes its name from the nation's most popular beer. Located in the north and sitting on the Rive Shore, the mountains that surround Diekirch make incredible vistas at each turn. 3 great museums to check out are the National Museum of Historical Vehicles, the Beer Museum, and the National Museum of Military History with an exhibit that thoroughly covers the Battle of the Bulge. You can bicycle, hike, kayak, or fish while you're here.
Number 4. The Land of the Red Rocks. The Land of the Red Rocks, also known as the Minute, is located in the south of Luxembourg. The region owes its name to the bright red iron ore that gives the earth its color and made the success of the steel industry in the country possible. The Minute has a very high biodiversity and is full of rare plants. Number 5. The Nature Park of the Upper Shore. Located in the northwest of Luxembourg, the Upper Shore Nature Park is marked by its artificial lake of 380 hectares, the country's largest drinking water reservoir. This region is also known as Luxembourg's water area, and the reservoir provides the framework for the development of sustainable tourism and leisure activities. Number 6. Western Luxembourg. If you're driving during your Luxembourg holiday and considering what routes to take, you must absolutely include the Aisch Valley of Western Luxembourg. With the town of Arlon at one end and de Telbruck at the other, you'll have the most peaceful drive of your life as you wind your way through lush forest. You'll pass by a number of castles, some which are majestic ruins and others that are more mansion-esque chateaux. Rumelange. Also located in the Land of the Red Rocks, but worthy of its own mention, is the old mining town of Rumelange. The main attraction here is the National Mine Museum, which is considered by many to be one of the top tourist attractions on Earth. The museum allows guided walks through the old mine tunnels, and you can enter by riding in an old mining train.
Number 8. Beaufort. A small town that's high in charm, Beaufort is most often visited because of its castle which lies across the valley from the town proper. Originally built as a Roman camp, the castle expanded over the years, but has never recovered from the World War II Battle of the Ardennes. Tourists can explore the many levels and interiors of the castle, though there is no decor.
Number 9. The Moselle Valley. Covering 42 kilometers, that stretch from Wasserburg to Shenzhen, the Moselle Valley and the river that runs through it are lined with small villages, vineyards, and wine cooperatives. Shenzhen, famous due to the EU agreement that allows easy cross-border travel, has been attracting wine lovers for generations. Mullerthal. This region of Luxembourg is known as Little Switzerland because of the hilly green landscape. What you'll notice first is the unique rock formations. They're hard to describe, but unforgettable once you've seen them. Echternach is the main city within the region, but there are all kinds of reasons to branch out.